everyone. This is Dr. Shivakan Pathak here with you to see a topic energy spectra in atom, molecule and solid in semiconductor. So see what does it mean of the energy spectra in atom, solid and molecule. Here in this topic what we will see here. Actually, when we take atom and its atom, then we take molecule, then we take systematic arrangement of molecule, that is crystal, solid, right? And we observe spectrum analysis of all these one by one. What we do? Spectrum analysis. Then we observe that this spectra of atom, when we move from atom to molecule or molecule to crystal, the spectra gradually changes. What does mean of this spectra gradually changes? It means that what does it indicate? Properties changes. So change in property can be clearly understood by how spectrum gradually changes when we change from studying the structure of atom, molecule, and first of all atom, then molecule, then crystal. So see very carefully, we are going to start from atom by taking, so first of all we are going to take atom. In atom we are taking an example of lithium atom. We know that lithium atom is denoted by Li, atomic number 3, mass number 6. In lithium atom, one of lithium atom, it has 3 proton and 3 neutron. NP ratio is 3. First Bohr's orbit and second Bohr's orbit. See very carefully. First Bohr's orbit is called K. Second Bohr's orbit is called L. Right? In Sommerfeld model, the first Bohr's orbit has one orbital. This is called 1s. And in 1s, 2 electron possible. Second Bohr's orbit is divided into 2 suborbitals called, it is 2s and 2p. The energy level of this is, see very carefully here in this this second Bohr's orbit divided into 2 parts. One energy level is little less than that and another is little more. So here this is called, which is less than L, little less, 2s, and it is called 2p. Clear? And one electron is lies in this. So one may write lithium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. Is that clear? When we see the structure of this lithium behavior, how we obtained, see carefully here in this case, strong attention is needed to understand the concept of the spectrum analysis, right? So these are the electrons are live in a particle in box. We have read in particle in box in Schrödinger wave equation. Here is the position of nucleus of lithium atom. What is this? Nucleus. This is 3 proton and 3 neutron. Here in that, the allowed energy state where the 2 electrons live, it is called 1s, then 2s, more energy state, and then there is a little more 2p. This is a spectrum analysis of lithium atom. Clear? See carefully. This is a spectrum analysis of lithium atom. Thereafter, what we are going to do? See, thereafter, watching the spectrum of lithium atom, we are going to see the spectrum analysis of lithium molecule. Lithium molecule is Li2. What does indicate? In molecules there are 2 atoms. When 2 atoms came into existence, what happened here in the system? See, when lithium molecules means 2 atoms, then there is perturbation theory acts. What is perturbation theory? One lithium atom is affected by second atom and second atom is affected by first atom. Effect of one atom on another. Due to as a result, there is a new arrangement formed other than the single lithium atom. See how new, what is the new arrangement forms. So when there is a new arrangement, then see very carefully. The energy spectrum, this is called energy spectrum diagram. So see here, energy spectrum has a set of discrete doublet. Let's see what is a energy spectrum has a set of discrete doublet. See very carefully here by 2 arrangement. See here in the diagram. Let us see very carefully here in it. What is a new arrangement? Let us take, this is a arrangement for lithium molecule. First lithium atom, its nucleus, second lithium atom. This is a potential barrier, right? So in 2 lithium atom, see here in it, their atom, first Bohr's orbit K, 1s. What is the new generate? See for the 1s here in it. What is 1s? 2 electron here. Degeneracy means 2 electron due to the influence of this effect on one to another. What is this? Perturbation theory. The 1s energy level is divided into 2 energy level in both. This is form band. See carefully. What does it form? Band. What is this? 1s. Same like as. See carefully. Degeneracy again in 2s. After 2s, which is seen this single electron 2p. So here see very carefully. This is 2p degeneracy. So what is this? It is molecule, right? So this molecule has a discrete doublet. This is called doublet, right? Here is a range. It means that their diameter of one of the lithium molecule orbit radius of the orbit decreases while other increases. That is why the energy of one decreases and another increases. So this is called discrete doublet. So see, this degeneracy play only when it is very close. New arrangement only. Influence perturbation theory play only when it is much close. If they are away, behaves like a single atom both. But this new arrangement is formed only when they brought nearby, then their behavior changes. Now see what happened in case of lithium solid. So see the lithium solid here in this case. The molecule positions are here given in it. Let nucleus is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is given. Right? If these molecules were given, see how degeneracy set 1, 2, new arrangement. New arrangement is due to what? Perturbation. Perturbation means effect of one due to the from here also. Means this nucleus is affected by this atom is reflected by all these one dimensional atom. In that see how 1s is converted by the range bind. Here in this there was only 2, doublet was here more than that, a range of energy level formed. This is degeneracy in a system. What is this formed? Clear it is? This is called what? 1s, same like as degeneracy in form of band in second also. This band, how band theory works? The main aim is to explain it. Right? What is this called? 2s. After 2s, there is which? 2p. See in this diagram. What is this? It is 2p. If electron, see here, there is a degeneracy, but electron of one cannot cross another in 1s due to this potential barrier. These are the potential barriers. What is this? See carefully. Potential barrier. These are potential barriers. But see what happens if electron by any way reach in the of a lithium atom, which molecule is lithium solid, in which if electrons reach in a 2p, they are free to move from here to here in same way. So dynamical behavior, movement behavior of electron is free. Here the molecules, the outermost electron behaves like a gas molecule here on the surface, but no effect on these because they are stopped by the potential barrier of one atom to another atom. So this is the spectra analysis for solid by applying perturbation theory. And due to perturbation theory, there is degeneracy in the new arrangement. In case of molecule, it is the degeneracy, and in case of a solid, the degeneracy in this way. Now, same perturbation effect we are going to see in semiconductors. We are knowing semiconductors are germanium and silicon. How this band theory works in a semiconductor. Here. So in one dimensional structure of lattice is here we are going to explain. So see this whole explanation here in this way. Here are the two atoms here represented in the diagram. These are the position of nucleus, right? And represented in the diagram for a two atom only, but it is for a, not for a doublet molecule. It is for crystal more than two. In the this is array of one dimensional. See in the topic one dimensional crystal lattice. It is, let me write here, one dimensional crystal lattice is here. So due to more than two, in that there is degeneracy, new arrangement. What is the new arrangement here formed? The band formed. The range of energy is formed. We may say name 1s, 2s, same like as another band. Energy band formed. This a number of bands here formed just like above. And when we and this is the position of potential barrier here, right? When we move for the outermost orbit, when we move, see in this case of semiconductors are germanium and silicon. What happens in outermost energy cell? How it formed? The energy band is formed up to here. This energy band is formed called valence band. It is little above that. Clear? So electrons or valence electron is leaving this band in case of a semiconductor. Conduction in semiconductor, conduction of current is not by this valence electron. Above that, one more band is formed. Called conduction band is formed, right? Some electrons can also be possible in this band. This is the range of energy bands. If electrons found in a conduction band, these electrons are called, if it is found here, is called free electrons. The electron lies in a valence band is not a free electron, and electrical conduction is not. It is affected by this resistance, potential barriers that cannot freely move to form the electrical current. And if this line is a very close here, so if electrons move here, strike here, right? This is up to here. It's so cannot electrical conduction possible. The difference between both is called what? Forbidden energy gap. Forbidden energy gap. In case of semiconductor, it is from 0.7 to 1.1 electron volt. Is very less. Due to thermal agitation, some of the electrons move here. The dynamical behavior of electrons found in the conduction band is like just free particles moving in here. No potential barrier is available in the conduction band. That is why this electrons lies in a conduction band is called the free electron. And this band theory gives clear-cut explanation of distinction between conductor, semiconductor and insulators, because there is no forbidden energy gap in conductor, and insulator is much more and very small in case of semiconductors, which we are studying here. At very low temperature, we say at 0 Kelvin, this all electrons freeze. So valence band completely filled and conduction band completely empty. So in that condition, semiconductor behaves as an insulator. But at room temperature, see here, room temperature, due to thermal vibration here in the lattice of electrons, some of the electron gets higher energy, can cross to the band gap and reach in the conduction band, and electrical conduction is possible. That is why in semiconductor, on increasing the temperature, the conductivity of semiconductor increases. Why increases? Because electrons move from lower band to higher band. Here produces holes and here is electron. So electrical conduction is due to that. So this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.